Hello, today we will guide you through how to search for words or phrases in a PDF document in Adobe Reader. In this walkthrough, you'll learn a quick way to jump straight to the information you need, saving time when reviewing long documents. First, open your PDF from Adobe Cloud Storage. Locate and open the file so it loads fully in Adobe Reader's viewer. If it's stored alongside other files, choose the one you want to search. Give the page a moment to render. Once you can scroll and see the toolbar, you're ready. If you see an item labeled Sample Project, click it to open the document you'll be searching. Next, use the built-in Find tool. On Windows, press Ctrl+F. On Mac, press Command+F. This opens a small find bar, usually near the upper right. Click into the field and type the word or phrase you're looking for. Keep it simple and exact for the best results. If you're searching a phrase, type it in the order it appears in the document. Most PDFs aren't case-sensitive by default in this quick search, so capitalization typically doesn't matter. If you're not seeing what you expect, try a shorter root of the word like policy instead of policies. Once you've entered your term, use the navigation arrows in the find bar to move through each occurrence. The down or next arrow jumps forward to the next match, and the up or previous arrow goes back. Reader highlights each match on the page so you can spot it instantly. You'll often see a small counter, such as 1 of 8, confirming how many results are found and which one you're viewing. You can keep the find bar open while you scroll or zoom. The highlight will follow as you move between pages. If no results appear, double-check your spelling, remove extra spaces, and make sure the document has finished loading. Some scanned PDFs are images of text. If yours is scanned and not selectable, you'll need text recognition enabled for search to work effectively. To repeat a search later, press the shortcut again and retype or reuse the last term. When you're done, close the find bar with the X so it doesn't cover content. And that's it. You've opened your PDF from cloud storage, selected your file, used the search bar with a simple keyboard shortcut, entered your term, and navigated results with the arrows. With these basics, you can locate key clauses, names, dates, or any phrase in seconds.